In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your garage door opener. This is the Craftsman CMXZDCG453. So we'll be going over this model. The only thing you'll need to get it done is a CR2032 battery and optionally a flathead screwdriver. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, feel free to check out the link in the description, which will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. If you don't have a flathead, you can also use this clip on the back, which I will show you right now. So just pull the clip out, and on the top of the device, you can see there's that opening along the seam in the plastic. You can use this, just insert it in there and twist. The only problem is that you will probably damage the plastic and perhaps the clip as well, which is why I prefer to just use the flathead. It can go and it fits in a little bit better. Just twist. You can work your way down, twisting until it comes apart very easily like that. From here, I'm going to you can just use your finger, but I will use the flathead to get under the battery and just gently pop it out. Can dispose of this old battery, take your new CR2032 and make sure when you're putting it in that the positive side that has the plus side on it is facing up. And you can see there's this C shape right there. You want to first kind of slide this, angle it down under these two metal tabs, and then just click it down into place. Now, when reattaching this, we want these buttons to line up with the buttons that you see here, so that will look like that. But we need to line up the part on the bottom of the device first. Can be a little bit tricky, but you can see once we get these two parts lined up, you just snap kind of close it like a book and snap it back to place. Now you can put your clip back in there by just sliding it in. And there you go. This should be good to go. You should see the light come on, and you should not need to reprogram this. If you were just changing the battery, it should be good to go just like that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.